Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Pundi X in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. What's the price changes occurs in the Pundi X, what's the high price of Pundi X, I will show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so friends, kindly click the subscribe button right now and happy my heart. Please, if you listen my voice, so please subscribe my channel. Now let's see the price prediction of Pundi X. What's price change occur in the Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour? Let's see on the screen. As you can see, that is the live price prediction of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. As you can see now on the graph, the Pundi X take a jump in the previous last 1 hour, but currently if we see the chart analysis, so the currently it is a fall time of Pundi X at this time. As you can see here, it a falling time starts from this this hour, as you can see here. So my suggestion to buy it, sorry, sell it if you are a Pundi X holder, to sell it and be safe from loss, because currently at this time they are falling start. So my suggestion to sell it. What's your suggestion? Please share in the comment box. As it a best time to sell it, as it a best time to buy it, as it a best time to hold it. Please share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see here, the change is about positive 0.36% change occur in the Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Pundi X is about positive $0.008299 is the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour. Let's see the last 2 hour result of the Pundi X. Let's see the 2 hour analytics of Pundi X. As you can see now on the screen, the 2 hour analytics tell us that after a great fall, as you can see, a fall down, and after falling they take a jump, and now currently at this time, as I said in start of this video, now currently they falls down, as you can see here. So this time they falls down, falling of the Pundi X start in this period. So my suggestion to sell it, as you can see here, the change is negative 0.24% change occur in the previous last 2 hour, and the high price of the Pundi X is about $0.008299 is the high price of Pundi X in the previous last 2 hour. So that is a live price prediction of last 1 hour, of last 2 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.